In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a scenario automatically in make.com. By the end, you'll have a reliable setup that runs on its own without you clicking run once every time. First, start by building and testing your scenario. Add your trigger and all the action modules you need, then click run once to make sure everything behaves as expected. Watch the execution to confirm data flows through each module, and there are no errors. If something fails, fix it now. Automation only saves time when it's stable. Use a small, safe sample of data during testing so you can verify field mappings and outputs without creating a mess in your live tools. Next, make sure your scenario has a trigger that can run automatically. You have two main types. Scheduled triggers run on a timetable you define, like every 15 minutes, hourly, daily, or more. Instant triggers fire as soon as an event happens, such as a webhook receiving data or a supported app event occurring. If the trigger you picked is on demand only, it won't run by itself, so switch to a scheduled or instant trigger that supports automation. Now open the schedule settings. Inside the scenario editor, look for the clock or schedule control in the toolbar, usually at the top or bottom of the canvas. Click it to open the scheduling window. This is where you tell Make when to wake up your scenario and check for work, or when to listen in the case of an instant trigger. Choose when it should run. You can set regular intervals, like every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or hourly. Pick a daily time. Choose specific days and times in a weekly schedule, set monthly runs, or even target exact dates and times. Match the schedule to your workflow and data freshness needs. If you're unsure, start with a modest interval and adjust later. Keep in mind your time zone, potential app rate limits, and whether off-peak hours are better for larger jobs. After setting the timing, save the schedule by clicking OK or Save. Once saved, you'll typically see the next runtime reflected in the scenario header. If you don't save, your changes won't apply. Finally, turn the scenario on. This step is crucial. If the scenario is off, it will never execute automatically, no matter what schedule you set. Flip the main toggle to on, and look for a status like scheduled or listening to confirm it's active. For peace of mind, watch the first few automatic runs in the execution history and adjust your schedule or mappings if needed. And that's it. Your Make scenario is now set to run automatically.